Hi, today I want to go over the download and installation of Contepass, and you would go to delivosecure.com licenses, choose Contepass, latest version 2.2, enter your license number, we'll use that one as an example, and your username and password. You would enter your password here. Once you click on request installation package, it will take between 2 and 5 minutes to prepare your licensed package ready for download. Once you've downloaded your licensed copy of Contepass and saved it in a folder, you could use your desktop, it doesn't really matter. You would double click on the zip file, extract all files, and you'll see there are 4 files within the zip package. README license, which you should have a quick glance through. Contepass-upgrade.cgi, which you only need if you're upgrading from a previous version of Contepass. Contepass-install zip folder, and Contepass-install.cgi. The ones we're going to use as doing a fresh installation on a domain are these 2 here. So I'm just going to load up my domain. Let's go into the control panel of the domain. Which is this one here that we're going to use for demonstration purposes. I'm going to use the file manager. And I'm going to upload those 2 files that we looked at. Which I've saved in this directory here under Conte. And as you can see, I've already extracted the files. So I would go into the folder, upload Contepass install.cgi, and Contepass install zip file. Upload those, and I'm going to pause the video for a few minutes and come back as soon as possible. Okay, these files have now uploaded to the root folder or public HTML folder of my hosting account. And you can see the 2 files here, Contepass install, both the CGI and the zip file. And what we want to do is to give that one permissions of 755, so it can be run through your web browser. That's done. We want to go to the control panel. And we want to create a MySQL database, which I will call Conte. Create a user, which I'll also call Conte. Generate a password. copy it into a notepad document. Use the password, create user, back. And I'm going to add the user complete underscore Conte to the database, complete underscore Conte. Add all privileges, make changes. Go back. I want to take a copy of the username and the database name, because we're going to need that in a couple of minutes. Let's pop that into the same notepad document. Now I'm going to actually go to the domain. Go to the domain Contepass install.cgi, and providing you've done everything correctly and your host does allow 755 permissions to be set in the public HTML directory, you'll be presented with the following screen. So I'm going to put in an admin email, which in this case is ecommercecomplete.com. Just going to leave these as standard. Put in the database name, MySQL username, and pop back and get the password from the notepad document. Click install. And it will come up with this screen telling you the URL that you need to go to get into Conte, and also the admin codes, which initially we left at test, which I think we'll remember, and get the admin email. Click on this link. Paste the admin email in. Password initially is test, and log in. That just about covers the basic installation of Contepass. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll come back in the next one and carry on with the setup of a few little bits that you need to do in both the control panel and within Contepass. See you in the next video.